today's gonna be a different type of video, right? Someone asked me before if I was ever gonna do a challenge, and this is kind of like a challenge, but this is like a challenge up my alley.
That is my dog show. That is my dog. That is my dog show. That is my dog. Me and my dog.
So first things first, let me just introduce Marge. Marge, come on down. Guess who's that?
Hi guys.
We are going to do the best friend does my makeup challenge. Since I always do her face, now the challenge is on her and now she has to do my face. And I don't like people touching my face. This is going to be very interesting. So we got all the products out. She low-key was cheating trying to see like what brushes to use or whatever, but
I have to prepare myself. It's not a pressure here.
you know, honestly,
It's pressure. Disclaimer, I am no professional. I'm going to do the best that I can.
she knows, like, you know how to go about it. Like I've taught you, so I know that you
have
can.
taught me.
I'm scared.
I'm scared for you.
But I'd rather be you than somebody else.
Let's do a prayer. Heavenly Father, I ask that you bless these hands that you know I'm about to do. It's in your hand, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Amen. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Hit the bell. And give me a like.
Thumbs
all that
up.
stuff. Thumbs up.
Leave your comments below.
Let's get to 5K. We're almost at 5K, so let's get to 5K.
3, 2,
Not
1.
ready. Oh, let me clip my hair back. Or you good? You good? Or
You can clip it back. Long hair don't care.
Shout out to my blessed hands.
I ain't giving that plug away for nobody.
Never, never.
So first, let's do your eyebrows.
So what are you gonna use?
I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil. Okay. Are you nervous? I think I'm more nervous. No, maybe it's...
Oh, you rough. Oh my gosh. You're supposed to be soft. Come on.
I'm gonna use the other side.
I can't tell you. Like now this is like all you. I can't tell you.
Okay. Okay. Boy. So you just did your eyebrows for me?
No.
And then, you know, I could just did the face.
No, no. Bro, did you? Maybe you forgot how your eyebrows look. Your eyebrows look bomb right now.
I hate doing the other side. So awkward. How do you...
Well,
Much respect to makeup artists. I'm already struggling on it's only one eyebrow.
well, think about what you do with yours. It feels so weird being on the other side, like end of the stick. Like,
It's blessing us, dude.
it actually feels quite uncomfortable. Cause like I don't have that control.
But I swear, like for your wedding, you're gonna do your own face.
Oh yeah. No, like I don't. Why? That doesn't make sense. Why pay for somebody to do my face when I could do it myself? I
You
mean,
could be nervous. I mean, it's your face.
the only reason why I'd probably have somebody do it is just for the simple fact of relaxing on that day.
Now I'm going to take the concealer, and we're gonna use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn.
You're concentrating.
Bruh, I'm about to beat this face. I'm focused.
You're concentrating.
I sure am. I got this.
I feel it.
I got this. Be still, please.
Sorry. Okay, what up? Alright, okay, go ahead.
Move forward. Hey. Stop blowing. Hey.
Are we gonna put a booking info in your
Hey,
bio?
best friend.
Low-key don't like the feeling. High key. Not even low-key, high key. Oh, okay. Okay. Is that a good thing?
I think so.
Why I think so.
Okay, now we're gonna prime your face. Smashbox.
Why get the cheap stuff?
Photo. I get about it. Oh.
It's alright. About it. Okay. That's it?
I'm gonna put.
Sorry. Sorry.
Can I work in sections, please?
Sorry.
Oh.
Well, then again, I'm sweaty. I think it's just a mental thing for me.
Okay. Now, foundation.
What?
Wait.
Oh, sorry. Which way?
Maybelline Fit Me.
You know what I should have done?
And coconut.
I should have given you a whole bunch of different colors and you had to choose the right one. That's what I should have done. You lucky I thought about that too late.
Okay, now. Don't look. Okay, let me find the brush. Because you don't use the same brushes as me, so it's different. This one, right? Yeah, so we're gonna get like this for me, I use this for
your powder?
Yes, my finishing.
So what do you use for foundation?
Like a more, it's similar, but it's a little more
dense.
Yes.
I'm not one mim.
It's a twist.
No, from what? From what? From what?
So it's gonna. Ooh, if I put too much, bitch.
Wow, look at how light that is.
Okay.
Oh, look who texts me back.
Oh, wait. See, I ain't gonna preach today. I ain't gonna put nobody out. I ain't gonna preach today. It's a little light, girl.
It's light? I feel like I'm concentrating for you.
Okay, you can concentrate for me.
The amount of pressure that you're adding with the brush is good.
I feel like I'm doing very good.
It feels right.
Next, concealer.
Your order is so weird. Okay, I'm just saying.
Or you would contour. Yeah, you would put
No,
the,
I'm not saying.
Yeah, we're gonna contour Fenty Beauty. I know it now. I remember. You know I watch your videos. I've been watching. You know you do like a little. You do like 4 here. You know. And you do that little thing right here. That little thing right there. And then you usually do your nose with like the thingy, not this. Right?
I can't say yes or no. I can't help you. Even though I feel like I low-key have.
Sa. This one. So this one I gotta go a little harder than soft because we gotta blend it in.
Fat boy. Fat boy.
I think you're gonna be proud of me.
I think so too. I feel it.
I feel it in my spirit. I feel
Because there's no way. It's not as if like you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like you
have experience. I do my
you do your own face, so
okay, concealing. Yeah. You gotta do the chin. You gotta do here. You gotta do the nose. And you gotta take a damp sponge.
it
Has to be damp. Okay? Damp.
I started the sentence and you finished it. Is this tea? No. Beep beep dee 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 dee.
Now we're gonna go in with the Sacha Buttercup. Start baking, you girl.
You up your bike, I'm big. Yeah, get up your bike, I'm big.
It's like more squarish, no? Can I get a lifeline?
Nope.
Oh, really?
I was right there the whole time.
You know, I'm like the flat. No, your nose contour supposed to be on point.
How are you?
I appreciate you for being a makeup artist, if you didn't know.
Did you have a choice?
Gotta go under here. I ain't doing that part. Okay? Put a little something on your eye. Your eyelid.
We're gonna do a look, right?
Simple.
Simple.
Okay, we're gonna go in with the Nubian 2 by Juvias. Is that how you pronounce it?
Are we? What are we going for? Smoky.
Simple. You know, just to cut a little crease, a little.
We're gonna do a cut crease?
No. Oops.
There's glitter in there.
Miscommunication.
You can do like a fall look with this. Yeah. Get burgundy. Get orange. Get vert.
All right, we're gonna go in with Madagascar first.
I can see it.
For her crease. I feel like I'm transferring my makeup style to you. Like, you know,
you
like
are.
Simple.
I feel like you are, because you put like
crazy.
this much foundation, this much.
Simple is Yeah, I'm gonna stop there.
What?
I just want to see your reaction.
Je me fais une colonisation.
I'm gonna use this color.
That's it. There's nothing on the brush.
There is, Nasa.
That's nothing. I honestly feel like her and Morphe got the best eyeshadows.
Oh, I like that. Okay.
You're not gonna smoke it out?
I don't want to do anything I don't do. Too much.
You be adding color to your outer V.
What color though? They do like a darker brown? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I went in with Kenya. Sorry. Okay, Marge, I see you, girl. All right, girl. Coming through with the little cut crease, girl. Hey. We're gonna use this to dust off the baking powder. This is baking powder, right? Why? How is setting powder?
I call it baking powder too.
Okay, I'm sounding like I'm cooking in the kitchen. Okay, now you gotta do your eyeliner. Oh, you usually use liquid.
Oh, you want to use? Oh, I mean, there's gel here too. It's up to you.
Inglot.
Number 77.
Try to do a little wing on you, girl. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'd like to request my inner tear duct liner.
You know I ain't gonna do it. You got nice little lashes, girl.
Girl, the top, the bottom, I got 3. Do you know which eye that's going on?
Oh, there's a certain eye?
Yes!
Ooh, girl, you're looking like a new person with them lashes, girl. Okay, your favorite part. Oh, you didn't give any. Let me see if you have any blush.
I didn't give you blush.
Whatever, smile, girl. We're gonna work with this brush. Okay, it's not the brush. Those you can use this as clean or put. I know you clean under your thing with this. It's gonna be on your cheek.
No, I need my ombre lips.
Oh shoot. Alright, your favorite part. Now, you know I'm not extra like that, so we're gonna use the Master Chrome by Maybelline. Can't move it. Ooh, girl, you look like a new. Ooh, girl. You ready? It's cold.
It's cold. You did great.
You know? Wow, I'm so proud of myself.
Do you want a lip brush?
Yeah.
I feel like it's easier to use it. I mean, everybody's different.
I'll probably use this for the inside.
You know how excited I am that it's fall is here? I could bring back vampy lips.
Close your eyes, you make me nervous.
Oh, sorry.
I don't think I did too bad.
Are you sure there's nothing you wanna? Okay.
No. I'm satisfied. I hope you're satisfied.
I'm seeing. Oh, whoa! Not bad. Oh,
See, girl. See, I gotta work on the.
My eyebrows ain't bad though.
It ain't bad. I tell you. See, that was my. I'll say it. Once the eyebrows are good, ain't no going back. So I gotta work on the eyelashes though. The eyelashes.
Yeah, the eyelashes.
Yeah.
Oh, you see this eyeshadow? Oh,
I know.
oh, shooketh.
I
Not
learned
bad.
from that.
So that means like if I'm giving birth, you know, and I want my baby's first sight of me to be beat, that means you could. Marge. Yeah, we gotta work on the lashes, bitch.
I don't even do my own. I don't even do my lashes.
But I must say though, my eyebrows. Wow, I love my brows.
Girl, put the hair down too, girl.
Well, you have to read my shirt because it says what I say.
Melcy. Oh my gosh.
My gosh, I'm so like. You passed. You passed.
What do you guys think? You guys gotta let me know. Comment below. Scale of 1 to 10.
We need to start putting her booking info in the description box. Yes or no?
Don't worry, I got your hands-on makeup class, girl. I'm finna.
September 22nd.
Finna be in there.
If you guys want to come to the next class, September 22nd, the next Royal Tea Party hands-on makeup class, I'll put the link for that below. No, let me let y'all see, like, she actually
Did something.
No, like,
you could go out with this.
Yeah,
like it's presentable.
Yes. I'm shocked. Like, I knew you were gonna do good, so I don't know why I'm shocked, but it's like,
no, I'm shocked too. As I was doing, I'm like, whoa, I'm actually doing like a pretty good job.
Dude, you did great.
Best friend challenge completed. Check.
I'm so proud of you. Like,
You look
good job.
Hey,
good
what are
job.
best friends for? You know, you gotta compliment each other in every aspect of life.
Ebony and ivory in perfect harmony. I'm just shooketh.
Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you like. Okay, make sure you hit the notification bell to get those notifications. Make sure y'all follow so y'all can be part of the Royal Gang. Okay? Thanks for having me.
Girl, please, you're home. Bruh, we will see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you did it.